So guys, welcome to this channel. If you're new, subscribe, like, share the videos. So I'm basically going to teach you now to change email of Carry from the previous one you had all lost to the one now you've created now. It's basically is very simple. So first, you should have the first step is that you should have a scanned copy of your ID, and then the second you should have the email which you can Google of KRA help. This is the call center at KRA.go. So like this one, so compose you just compose an email to KRA call center at KRA.go.ke. On the subject, just type help to change email of my KRA pin, and then type your KRA pin there, 01, that is 01. Guys, I'm typing, sorry. So the basically the subject is help to change email of my KRA pin. This is your KRA pin. Then below it on the contact, just type attached is my ID PDF. Attached is my ID PDF. So then I come here, so you have below attached, let it be this, below attached is my ID PDF. So I'm using a monitor, I'm using a PC, so you come and then attach the carry just here. Mine I said this in the quick, I recently opened it, so it's somewhere here. It's here is the first one, that yeah. So then you send it. Basically it's that simple. Then after you've sent it, the carry people will reply that they have seen your whatever you ask them to do, and they will reply after 72 hours. So after the 72 hours, they will have fully changed your email from the previous one to the new one. It's that simple. It's very that simple, guys. Like and subscribe.